blacksmith struck with burning wrath. The iron mountain rolled again. Ashes forged the crimson blade, bound by honor, born upright. Led by wolves through endless plains, the clans arose to turn the tide. Thunder stars of endless night, through the storms and frozen fight, a cry resounds, a nation's call. The sons of Turk will never fall. Göktürk, arise beneath the sky so wide. With Tengri's gaze, the winds are on our side. Brothers, unite, let the world hear our name. The wolves of the steppe, igniting the flame. Their banners flew with wolf-head pride through sacred lands where spirits soar. 1,000 tribes, one blood, one dream, to claim the steppes forevermore. Legend spoke of the iron gate, shattered by their burning will. Eternal sky bore witness there, as freedom crowned the iron hill. Oh, Tengri above, hear our vow. We ride as you're chosen, here and now. Through storm and shadow, fire and pain, the Göktürk name shall forever remain. Tengri's gaze, the winds are on our side. Brothers, unite, let the world hear our name. The wolves of the steppe, igniting the flame. Göktürk, ride to the edge of the earth. We claim our fate, our movement of rebirth. Under the stars, the eternal sky's might. Forever we march through day and night. Beneath the eternal sky, forever we stand.